One of the best way for you to make a lot of affiliate sales is using email marketing. A lot of top affiliate marketers out there who are crushing their leaderboard. The best method which they use to generate traffic to any affiliate offer is through their email, because this is the list that they own. Now, today we're going to be talking about email marketing tools that you can use for affiliate marketing. I'm not going to be talking about much. I'm just going to be telling you the things I use, the ones I use, so that you also can apply and start using it. The first tool right here that I use is Aweber. Now you need to know that for you to do email successfully, you need to have an email autoresponder, because when it comes to affiliate marketing with email marketing, you want to automate stuff and not just be the kind of guy that always hit the send icon all the time. You want to have things automated for you whereby you keep generating commission even while you're not there. And the best way for you to do this is using the email autoresponder. And one of the email autoresponders I use is Aweber. Now you might be wondering why Aweber. There are a lot of several email autoresponders out there. We have ConvertKit, MailChimp, and several other ones out there, SendGrid, MailerLite. But the reason why I use Aweber is that it supports affiliate marketing. Now, you can't just decide to input affiliate link in ConvertKit or MailChimp, because you're gonna get your account suspended. They don't support affiliate marketing. But an autoresponder like Aweber supports affiliate marketing. So that is why I use Aweber for my affiliate marketing campaigns, because through the use of Aweber, I can easily include affiliate link in my emails, something I can't do on ConvertKit or MailChimp or MailerLite or other ones out there. So that is why Aweber is what I recommend, and it's what I use. Now, the second kind of tool you want to use is Bitly or PrettyLink if you have a website. Now, you want to shorten your affiliate link. You don't just want to, be the kind of guy that just put your affiliate link out there, just make it naked or, somehow, because sometimes you should also try to include a naked link in your email. The way you have an anchor link, which is interlinked into a text, is also the way you should have a naked link, so that it can also increase your click-through rates. Sometimes subscribers like to see what they want to click on compared to something that is embedded somewhere, something too glaring. But when you have a tool like Bitly, you can easily use it. You can easily use it to shorten your link, and this way it increases your click-through rate compared to you just posting a naked, ugly affiliate link that is just too long. But with Bitly, you shorten the link. Another professional way is using PrettyLinks plugin if you have a WordPress website. If you have a WordPress website, you can install the PrettyLinks plugin, and this way is more professional because you can easily have your domain.com / whatever it is. Let's say, for example, I want to promote Aweber. Okay, so instead of me having the Aweber affiliate link that is just too ugly and long, I can just have it like reviewwithmaverick.com / Aweber, and my affiliate link is being embedded in that URL. So the moment they click on that, it's going to redirect them to my affiliate link. So this is a tool you should also have, because you want to shorten your affiliate links and not make them look ugly. Now, the third one here is a spam checker. Now, you want to check your deliverability chances, because you want to be able to reach your subscribers' inbox. So with a tool like mailmeter.com / spam checker, you can easily check the spam rate of your emails. All right, this is what I use to check my spam rate, and you can check out if I have more chances of being able to get into my subscribers' inbox. Because when doing affiliate marketing, you need to know that you kind of sound salesy. Yes, it's normal, because you just want to make the affiliate sales. So this can hinder you from being able to, reach your subscribers' inbox, and you want to prioritize inbox, because when you hit the inbox rate, you increase your open rate and hopefully your click-through rate. But somebody who is not seeing the notification of your email in their phone, it's either it has landed in their promotional folder, or at worst in their spam folder. But with a tool like this, you can easily check out the spam score and increase your deliverability chances. Because when you use this tool, you can easily check your spam score and also kind of track some stuff, like maybe there's some words that are spamming, so words like free, bonuses, get instant access now, or click here. These are kind of, or if you have $sign or bonus or whatever, these are the kind of spammy words that can hinder you from getting into the inbox of your subscribers. So this tool is going to help you check all these things out and filter them, and you can be able to track some things so that you can increase your chances of getting your email delivered to the subscribers inbox. And the last on the list is 5,000 ready-made and done for you email swipes. Oh yes. Now, this is not a tool, it's a file. Okay, this is a file that I want you to get access to today, because when you have access to these files, you're gonna be able to craft emails for affiliate marketing offers, and you're gonna be able to crush every affiliate promotion. Now, how this works is that if you find it very hard to write emails, if you're somebody like me, I find it very hard to craft email copies, because this is something that a lot of us, we affiliate marketers doing email marketing and having issue with, then you need to get your hands on this 5001 email swipes. This is owned by a top internet marketing coach in his 22 years journey. Like, these are the email swipes that he has used in his 22 years in using email to crush several offers. He has used this swipe to sell thousands of products out there and generate millions in profit. Now, why am I recommending this to you and why am I telling you to get your hands on it? Number one, it saves you time. The time you have to keep crafting emails and keep writing, where you have other things out there you need to do. And if you're somebody like me that don't really like writing email copies, then you know it's very difficult, because I find it very difficult writing email copies all the time for affiliate promotion, especially if you are in a niche whereby you have several products that are being released almost every time. So you having access to these email swipes saves you time, because you don't have to keep crafting emails from the scratch, or you having to keep staring at the cursor and wondering what exactly you're gonna write to your audience. But these are email swipes that are working, that have worked rather, and are working for a lot of people. And all you have to do is just to tweak things there, and you can load it into your autoresponder and it keeps sending out. Now the second thing is that it saves you money. Now think about it, if you're kind of new in email marketing, or even if you're not new but you have a list that is just maybe a couple of thousands, or maybe you're in 5,000 list or 10,000 list, anything below 10,000 email subscriber list, I suggest you use this one, because you cannot consider to hire email copywriters that are going to be helping you write your email copies, because how much you're going to get charged per hour. Email copywriters charge at least $10 per hour, $20 per hour. This is kind of too much for you, because you want to be able to save a lot and ton of money. But when you have access to these, you don't have to keep spending money on these email copywriters for them to write emails for you, because you already have something that already work, and you can easily just tweak and load into your autoresponder and just keep making the affiliate commission. And the third one is that you can also use these to make money for yourself. Like, there are several people out there who are looking for email copywriters to help them to write emails for the affiliate promotion. There's a lot of top guys out there, even coaches who kind of are looking for email copywriters. You can also use this to make money and just apply to become the copywriter, and you just tweak things and send it to them and you're good to go. So this is why I'm telling you this today, to get your hands on this 5001. I mean, this 5001 in its 22 years, man. That is much, because that means it's gonna take you almost 23 years for you to finish these email swipes, even if not more. So 5001 is too much, because even in a year, I doubt if you can finish 600 email swipes. So that is what I have for you today. If you want to get on this email swipe and you want to check out how it looks, I also have access to it. Just click the link in the video description. Okay, check the link in the video description and click on it, or you can check the screen right now. You're gonna see a link right there. You can try to copy it and paste it on your screen and get your hand on it today. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the like button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I drop another email marketing tips right there on my channel. Take care of yourself, my friend. I'm gonna see you in some other videos. Enjoy. Peace.